Hi everyone and welcome back to this new video. It has been a long time since I made a last video, but I was very busy with my other channel doing a podcast in Arabic language talking about inspiration, new people or everyone who want actually to get involved in in new situation, study, work, especially here in Netherlands. So I was very busy for the last maybe 7, 8 months until now, actually since the beginning of this year. And because I tried now many software and I thought I want to really share the, let's say, the best software that I found that gonna cut and automated if you have a podcast. I am doing it just I have two cameras and I record on the on the Zoom 6. So it's a professional work, but because I was at the beginning actually spending a lot of time listening to the podcast, cutting the podcast, taking out the silence and do all this work. It's hard work. It cost me previously like around maybe 15 hour or 20 hour per episode, and now it saved me a lot of time. Of course I still need to listen to the whole episode every time, but like you save time from cutting and switching between cameras when someone talking. So it picks the one who talk and of course cut it, and like it's just in 2 3 minutes or maybe less than that, it's just ready to be produced and continue editing. So I just want to share that with you guys. So let's go to the, as you see, it's the AutoPod, and you need just to of course uh, put it in the right way. So if the host, or let's say A1 and A2, so the A1 video need also the sound of it. It must be on the A1 audio. Also the V2 must be also on the A2, because you have video on the timeline. I'm talking here of course on or in Adobe Premiere. So the video one need to be directly underneath it, A1, and video 2 it must be in the same position, A2. And then you need just to give it a name. So in my situation here, I just called it guest. A1 it was a guest, and A2 it was Ali. And need you just also on the V section need just to give it a name or make it just corrected. Select which one in on AV on or V1 and which one on the V2. And of course you need just to put it at the beginning of the timeline, and also must be actually finished on the same line at the end. And as you see, it just in in many seconds it just cut it for you and just make it so simple. Like you can also choose the delay of the cuts, also ignore cuts less than, like you have extra options. But for me, I just leave it as standard because I really don't like to play with that, because I also don't understand about that. Sometimes you really need it, but it's also depends on maybe some special guests that they maybe take a long time when they are talking. But of course, when you are recording that, then you can have that in mind. And as you see, it's just finished in just seconds, and it will give you, of course, a message on the screen that it's finished. So if you go to Windows and extensions, and you have here AutoPod Jump Cuts Editor, and also you have AutoPod Multi-Camera Editor, and also you have AutoPod Special Clip Creator. So I didn't try the other actually features, but I just focused on multi-camera editor. Jump cuts also, maybe it will, like make it a little bit for you, but because I have a podcast, so I really don't think about it. And also my style, just I leave that episode as it is during the whole, of course, recording. But be, maybe for some people, actually, they want just to make some cuts or make a clip, vertical clips or horizontal, yeah, vertical clips for as a shorts for all that social media out there. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it like, share, subscribe, and see you later with another video. Peace.